Dotcom-Monitor supports REST and HTTP APIs, SOAP web services, and Postman and Insomnia collections, enabling you to monitor API performance from monitoring locations around the world or internally, and send alerts to multiple notification channels. If you're already using Postman or Insomnia and want to automate your existing API tests without recreating your workflow, simply select the corresponding device type and upload your collection. Dotcom-Monitor automatically imports your requests, headers, authentication settings, and validations, so you can quickly turn your API tests into continuous monitoring checks. You can also build the same workflow directly in Dotcom-Monitor using native interface. Add multiple requests to a single monitoring device, then configure authentication, headers, payloads, and response validation for each step. Run monitoring from more than 30 global locations or from a private monitoring agent to test internally. Configure alerts through email, phone call, SMS, or third-party integrations to be notified as soon as an issue is detected. Review each monitoring session in the Waterfall Chart. Inspect response times, HTTP headers, and other details for every request in the workflow. When Dotcom-Monitor detects an issue, it immediately sends an alert through your configured notification channels. You can then open the corresponding session report in the Dotcom-Monitor interface to review detailed diagnostics and quickly identify the cause of the failure.